Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all. Make Academy presenting you this 3 days FDP program and emerging online teaching methodologies. Welcome to the second day session of this program. Thanks to this Make Academy for organizing this FDP, especially for the faculties. Session will be handled by today, ma'am, Dr. Leninisha Shanmugam, Associate Professor, VIT Chennai. She had a very good experience in higher organizations and guiding more PhD scholars in the area of remote sensing and medical imaging. She had participated more than 6 international conferences and published 7 international publications. Let me hand over the session to her. If you people have any doubt, kindly ask in the chat box, or else at the end of the discussion part, kindly make useful this session. Thank you all. Ma'am, shall I start now?
Yes, ma. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your nice introduction. So, hi everyone. Good evening. First of all, I want to thank Make It Academy for providing the opportunity to share my hands-on experience in ICT tools. Okay, with you all. Okay. Hope everyone's safe, right? The pandemic situation. Affected a huge people, from all the field, almost from business sectors, agriculture, even educators. Okay, everyone affected with this corona. So somehow we should save our family, including you, and then save a job. Okay. So for that, somehow we should manage, and we have to do all our regular activities. Okay. Fortunately, luckily, we have so many tools. Okay, n number of ICT tools to make our job easy. Okay, so we have n number of tools, even open source, free, any tools available, easy tools. Already we are using Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Who trained us? Okay, how we learn? Just we have learned by doing. Okay, so like that, you can learn by yourself. Then what is the objective of this session? If we can able to learn a tool with 2 hours, okay, that I can reduce into 1 hour. Okay, that is the objective of tool. So where you can go, how you can create, like that's the basic steps. Okay, by doing demonstration, I'm going to show you. Okay, so actually, compared to our previous generation, they'll struggle a lot with. They are not well versed with the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but past 15 years of experience, still I'm learning. Still, I'm learning Word, new features. They are adding version by version, and we will come to know some complex situations. Say, for example, you are making NBA report or NAC report. That time we will find some obstacles, and we can overcome by using that some features, smart features. That time we will find out. Okay, so like that only. This is nothing compared to our. Updating our knowledge in subjects and in research, writing research paper. This is nothing. Okay, so you are going to do your subject, you are already expert in that, just like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this is also a tool, okay, to make a job easy. That's all. Okay, so okay, I'll move into my presentation. Satya ma'am, am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
This week only we have organized 2-day international conference, virtual conference in VIT. Beautifully, they have organized with the Zoom link. Okay, different continent people, different geological people. They have, participated in the virtual conference. Each session has, 6 tracks. Okay, 6 tracks. So parallelly, by using breakout room. They have published nicely, so very good interaction. Otherwise, if we are conducting a conference with physically, then we need to run around for banner, backdrop, lunch, participation, registration kit, like this. So many activities we need. Just 2 days without any these kind of issues, smoothly. Okay, it's completed. So like that, this is to make our life easy. Okay, that's what we should understand. And only thing, we have some intention. Somehow we should manage. We should look into, just you can go through. So mainly this session, I'm concentrating in how we can manage our content, and we can share with the students. That is what. So what is our day-to-day activity? Okay, so we'll go to class, we'll give the lecture, and then we'll take attendance, simple assessments like quiz, assignments. So these activities already, I mean, the previous resource person covered yesterday itself, right? Okay. So so this sharing, I'm going to concentrate how you can sharing your content to your students. Okay. And already we are sharing, I know it, through Gmail, group mail. We will share all our content, right from syllabus, lesson plan, question papers, 5 minutes notes, sometimes handwritten notes. For each and every page, we need to take a snap and like a PDF or image to upload. So like this, n number of semester starting, we will upload. Okay, we'll attach all those things and we will send to the group mail, right? Okay, then how many of them are utilizing it? Okay, it's very difficult, no, to track that. uh, so many students will come and tell, I lost that ID, I don't have access to that group, I don't have the Gmail ID, can you share with the new ID? Till the end of the semester, we need to again and again sharing the content. This is what normally will happen, right? So then sometimes we need to update the contents too. So that time again we will forward. So many of them will confused with which version is the right one. Okay, I missed that notes because of only I didn't perform well. Like that, they will blame us, right? And so I'm going to give a solution, okay, easy solution for sharing the content to your students. And last one, cat and final, nothing in our hand. Okay, government and our college management, they have to do some initiative for that. This is also possible because students online examination, they are writing for GATE, and then NPTEL, Swayam Port, we are writing the exams. So that will all happen. Only thing, infrastructure and keep the social distancing. Okay, so that nothing in our hand. So we can go for sharing the content. So many tools are available actually. It's infinity actually, speaking. So this is popular tools, Google and Microsoft. They are by competing, they are giving so many tools to us. Okay, all the options are available in both the things. Only thing, Google is open source and Microsoft Access, we need some license. Actually, we will store Microsoft Office only. Somehow we will get it. So in that itself, we have many options. Okay, for remote teaching and learning. Okay, so we'll go to. So in this session, mainly, explore about these tools. Okay, Google Sites, OneNote, Class Notebook, OneDrive. Okay, so why we need Google Site? Okay, we can create our own website within 10 minutes. Without writing any HTML tags and writing JavaScript code. Without that, just like that, you can create your own website. Why this website? Since if we have some updations, you can do it at your site. Okay, in your site, just like that, you can update, keep on updating your content. and your students, okay, they will refer. Okay, a common place. They can't say like this mail ID. It's not possible. I mean, access that and all. Just you have by sharing the URL. Okay, like all other websites. Just say they can refer, and everything you can put it in a single place. Okay, all those things beautifully you can manage. Okay, so within 10 minutes you can create your website. So open source without this you can create. Okay, so first I'll demonstrate how to create a website using Google. So first you can go to the G Drive. Okay, so like this Google Drive you can take. Then there are two ways to create the website. Okay. So first I want to show my website. Actually, I'm going to take two subjects in this semester. So first one, Java programming for MTech AC students. So to to share the content, okay, for the forthcoming semester, I have created this website. So in this, so like this, first page that you can find like this. Okay, Java programming. So this site for mainly meant for sharing the content, and then have included query class schedule. So here I can share the link, whatever you are using, maybe Google Meet or Teams, Microsoft Team or Zoom or GoToMeeting, whatever. Just you can add the link. Okay, embed the link here, so they can simply come and click this and join to your class. Same way for lab. Okay, and announcements. I gave the WhatsApp class group link. Okay, somehow we should give intimation. No, I have updated something in the website. Kindly go and refer like this for putting the message. Okay, so I have created WhatsApp group. In that also you can mute the members. Admin alone give the intimation to refer the website. Okay. So next syllabus. So like this, I have shared the syllabus, and then study materials. In that, I'm going to upload the video lectures and PPT here. Okay, for each and every lecture, just I can give the link to this page. Okay, and then yeah, PPTs. Next, other sources, other useful sources. I gave how to install the, since I'm going to take Java programming, so how to install the NetBeans along with the JDK toolkit. Like a bundle, you can download it so that you will not face any of the compatibility error. Okay, so for that I gave link Windows 32, 64-bit, and the other OS. Just they can click and download, install the NetBeans and Java. And then this is NPTEL course videos. Okay, I have shared this for their additional reference. Okay, they can go and refer these videos for better understanding, or somebody, if you, I mean, they prepare for a gate and all, it will very useful for them. So that's why. And coming back to our website, this is online Java program execution step by step. This you can visualize the Java program, okay, step by step, how the memory management and all happen. Okay, so each and every step it will show you beautifully. It will visualize. Okay, initially what are the values present in the variables, and for each and every step how the changes happen. So visualize for this is also for better understanding only. Okay, so like this, I have an assessment. Here you can give the link for quiz and all. Okay, I gave a quiz, so I have linked with that for my first lecture. Okay. So like this, you can create your own website. Okay, so I have this. So So now I'll show you how you can create your own website. So for creating a website, we have we have two steps. First, in My Drive, you can go to like this, and you can click right click to the My Drive, and you can find Google site like this. Okay, either you can click this, or otherwise you can go to sites.google.com. Okay, you can go there and you can create like this. Just click blank. Both are same. Which one is comfortable? You can do like that. So like this, you have template. Here we are not going to write anything. Just by using templates, we can create the website. Okay. So title of the page. Say for example, so this is title of the page. Okay. And the site name here you can give. Say for example, I'm giving. So this is the site name, and then here this is file name actually. Okay, you can change. You can change this. Different names you can give. Otherwise, it will take the default one. Okay, both for file and the website, it will take the same name.
வச்சுக்க வேண்டியதானே அப்படி நீ இது கேட்க போவ உடனே அதுல வந்துட்டு நீ பெரிய யோக்கியமாடா நீ ஏன்டா என்ன கேட்க வந்த நீ பெரிய யோக்கியமா நீ வந்து ஓசி சோறு உட்காந்து தின்னுட்டு இருக்க நீ என்ன சம்பாரிச்சு கொண்டாந்தா வச்சு கொடுத்துட்டு நீ தின்னுட்டு உட்காந்துருக்க இன்னமும் அது தானடா உனக்கு சம்பாரிச்சு அதுல
So first we have given the name. Okay,
ஏன் அப்படிதான் சொல்றிய நீ ஆட்சி கொண்டு வச்சுக்கிட்டு நீ ஏன் அவங்க அம்மா அவன் தான் தனியா போயிட்டானா நீ ஆட்சி கொண்டு வச்சுக்கிட்டு நீ சம்பாரிச்சு வச்சுக்கிட்டு உன் குடும்பத்தை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு
Hello everyone, kindly mute yourself. Actually, is there any disturbance in that? Kindly mute yourself. Hello ma'am.
Hello. Can I proceed? Can I?
1 minute ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes ma'am, you can proceed ma'am.
Yeah ma'am, now you can proceed ma'am. Now it's okay,
Then,
right?
You can choose the fields here. Okay, like this, it will change. Which one you want, you can give. And then here also we have some more options: vision, level, impression. Okay, like this you can change. And also here you can upload. Okay, you can upload image. If you want to keep your image or something else, you can upload it. Or otherwise, we have some more options to select the image. So they gave some images in their gallery. Okay, you can select it and you can utilize that. Okay, so for example, I'm selecting. So like this, you will get it. Okay. So next, here you can add the logo. Okay, if you want, you can add your college logo or your own logo like this. Okay, you can able to take from the link, or other, if you have URL, you can give that URL, or otherwise you can upload the logo. Okay, just select this. can be able to see here we have uploaded the logo. Okay, so next one we can go to the actual display section. Okay, so here we are going to display. You can add footer. Okay, like this. So automatically in all the pages you can able to find this footer, and then you can insert. Okay, insert whatever you want here. You can insert a text box like this, and you can type whatever you want. Okay, so like this the instructions, and you can here you can include the image. Okay, if you want to upload image like this, you can upload it. Okay, whatever content you can manage it, or you are going to upload here with through the drive. So drive files also you can able to include here. Yeah, you can include PDF, so it will get displayed here. Yeah, okay, whatever you want you can include it. Here you can set the layout also like this. Here you can add image, and here with the text. We have n number of layouts. And from YouTube channel you want to upload image to video, okay, that you can do. Even calendar, Google Map, everything you can enrich your video with whatever tools. All those things is available to insert. Okay, in the insert option you can find these many details, button, divider, everything. Okay, you can include. And how to insert another page? Just click the page and click plus. Okay, so here my second page. Yeah, again you can start your designing, putting the content. Okay, like this you can find. Okay, next page. Be able to insert like this, and you can find like, okay, you can able to find. So inserting page, and before uploading it, okay, before publish only if you are doing any changes, if the changes will not reflect in the student end, so you have to give publish for each and every updation. You should give publish, then only you can able to disseminate to your students. So before publishing, if you want to check, okay, the preview, you go with the preview. Okay, so preview not only for the PC. Okay, here you can find the mobile, how the mobile displays your page, and tab, and then desktop. So like this you can check. Okay, so this is preview. Once the preview is okay, then you can go for publish. Okay, and also here we have an option, share with others. That is, you can share with others. Okay, this sharing is not with the students. Okay, co-editor. Yeah, if you want to add some, another faculty. Okay, say for example your co-faculty, co-handler, you can give access to them. Okay, so that they can also update this website. Okay, that rights we are giving. Like this, you can share for sharing with the students. Okay, so you have to click here, publish. So here you can go for custom URL and then give publish, so that it will shown to everyone. Okay, and how you can manage, how you can come to know how many students referred, how many are there access. For that we have one more option. Okay, in settings you can find settings, yeah, analytics. So this is a separate website. Okay, analytics.google.com. In that you can find. So through that only you can able to take so many reports. How many members are accessing daily? What are the pages they are accessing? What are the contents like this? Each and everything you can analyze. Okay, for that they gave a beautiful app. Okay, that is analytics. All kind of analysis you can do when they have logged in, what are the content they have referred. Okay, like this you can able to monitor. Okay, user management you can able to do with this tool. Okay, so here yeah, it will show you how many sessions, okay, how many members are accessed. Like this it will show you. So for this you have to do some basic things. Okay, you have to include your students. Okay, so here you have to include your students, and then only you can able to follow them. Okay, so like this. Okay, so here, so this is my ID. I have created one, and these are the property. Property in the sense I'm treating my websites as property. So I have to give, and then here view. Okay, viewers you have to add. Then only you can able to analyze. Okay, so this is the way you can track. So we will do everything, but these ICT tools are providing the way to record it also. Okay, so you can show it to anybody. I have done these things. And next tool, OneNote. Okay, so OneNote you can. So after logging into 365, yesterday itself, some of you may gone through this. So OneNote. See, all the tools are helping you to maintain the content and share with your students. But here and there, some changes. That's all we are going to look at. Okay. So here, the notebook is empty. We need to create a notebook. So these many notebooks already I have created. Now I am going to create a new notebook. So already we have disseminated all the information in the right way in the website. Okay, and then what is the use of this notebook? You may ask. Okay, so in this you can find the section. Okay, if you are taking for 2 sections, you can link here. Then add another section. Section name A. So 2 sections I have created. Actually, this notebook for replacing a student physical notebook. Okay, how they may manage their notebook. So in a single notebook, they'll divide it into partitions, and then they will do record everything. Whatever they want, they will record it. Right? Same way you can do. And in a section, you can create n number of pages. Okay. To each pages, you can give a note. So this is regarding my first lecture. So this advantage of this one notebook, in a single document, you can embed all those things. You know, the PDF, MP3, audio, video, everything. Okay, Word, PDF, everything. So Word, if you are sharing the Word, you will feel some difficulty with embedding all those things in a single Word document. Okay, so this is the advantage of that OneNote. Here you can add text. Okay, and then I can insert. I can insert whatever file I want, okay, as an attachment. Say for example, show you. Okay, PDF. I have inserted. Another option. Say for example, in your first class, you want to discuss with the syllabus. Okay, so for that you need to instead of showing an icon, it will display the entire syllabus here. So that with that you can discuss with your students, and you can share later on with those students who are not able to attend your class. So this is literally like your first lecture, okay, lecture class. How you will use your board? You will write whatever you want, and you can display the PPT. Okay, everything you can do. Okay, here you can upload your PPT too. So PPT. Otherwise, if you want to discuss with some some image or some slide on, just you can paste like this. Okay, so like this you can. Some loading problem, I think. Okay. So this one is already created. Okay, like this it will display. So you can find for a single slide, or you can give a link with any website. Okay, you can give a link and you can include the audio, video files. Okay, you can record your own audio. You can be able to believe it. You can record your own audio. Okay, for that you have to do the insert. Okay, you can find the option to record your audio. Just click on it. Okay, you can start speak. Okay, it will automatically record your voice. Okay, so after giving stop, it will included as a audio recording. And another option, you can dictate it. You can draw just like that, like a chalk and board. You can able to draw with different colors pen. Okay, you can able to take and you can draw it, and you can move every way. And use this option to read out. Okay.
SWE 1007
Can you
programming
hear?
in Java.
Yeah. Like this,
Syllabus.
it will read out. Okay, so this is the advantage of, and you can share with the students like this. You can give access to edit, or otherwise only for view purpose. Like this, you can choose what to whomever you want to share, you can specific to or anyone in the VIT, I mean your office, you can share with them. So you can set the password, you can set the expire date. Okay, so this is a, or otherwise just you copy the link of this notebook and you copy this and share with some other mode. Okay, through WhatsApp or mail, you can share it. And we have another app that is Class Notebook. Okay, one step ahead. This is actually add-in option, add-ins for OneNote. Okay, so additionally you will have some more things, some more features. Show you. So for example, I'm opening this. Yeah, this is added to one notebook. Okay. Already you know that you have the students, what the students added here. Okay, and then additionally you have collaboration space and content library. In content library, you can include your syllabus, question bank. So like that, only content managed forever. Okay, so those content you can create here, and a collaboration space. You can give assignments or discussion forum like that. You can create, and if you are posting an assignment, the students can come and edit your things. For that, they have provided this collaboration. Nothing else. This is the difference between notebook and the class notebook. And yeah, so here we have the dictate option. Okay, so okay, so whatever you speak, it will record. See here, like this, you can record. Instead of typing, just you can speak out and you can record and you can send it to the students. Or for giving the assignment, you can give the instruction here. Okay, no one should copy. The first copy alone we will consider. Like this, you can give whatever instruction you want and you can send it to the student. Easy, no? Okay, so like this, we have any options. You can add here whatever to app you want, you can add it here. Like another tab, you can add whatever. Okay, and last one, like G Drive, we have OneDrive here. Same options. Okay, you can upload your files or you can share your PC folders. Then wherever you want to refer, wherever you go, you can refer. So that's all. Whatever we created, okay, it will be automatically saved in the OneDrive. Actually, in Google Drive, they gave 15 GB free space, and OneDrive we have only 5 GB. Okay. This one notebook option, they have provided in the 2007 edition itself. Okay, the Windows 2007, you can find this OneNote app. Okay, like Word, Excel, you can find this app. You can make utilize of it because 2007 itself they have introduced this app. I think that's all. And then I have a quiz for you. Okay, can I? Very simple quiz. Chat box, I am sharing the link. Okay, so try to attempt only 5 questions. Okay, 5 or 6 questions. Very simple question. Me,
Dear participants, actually, this is a query session. So if you people have any doubt, kindly ask.
anybody is listening?
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, very nice presentation and demo also, ma'am. One question, ma'am. Actually, you taught about OneNote app, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell again how to start with OneNote, ma'am? I think you go a little fast in that portion, so it's not able to find out the keywords.
Actually, in Windows, ma'am, which edition you're using? Which version you're using Windows? Office
Windows 7, ma'am.
7. In 7 itself, you can find the OneNote. Just you type here like this. Okay, I mean, in your, okay, shall screen. Okay, once again.
Okay.
Okay, so here you get, you type one. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
audible.
Yeah. So, okay, OneNote, like this, you have to type. You can find the app like this. Okay, no license, nothing is needed. 2007 edition itself, we have the OneNote.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Nice, ma'am. It is very new. That is your Google site that you have taught is very new to us, and it is grateful to use for this pandemic situation to teach the students. Thank you, ma'am.
Actually, what we are doing, just we have shared that experience with you. That's all. Nothing. This is
Usually,
not.
we are all, yes, ma'am, we are all using Google Classroom to share the notes. Instead of Google Classroom, I think this may be useful when we are creating our own website for us. So it will be useful for us. Thank you, ma'am.
You can make you update it and you can share the another batch also.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Any other questions?
Organizer, ma'am. Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am. Can you send this demo video to us, ma'am?
Actually, ma'am, for this sufficient, we have to post this video on YouTube in our channel. It will be actually
Okay.
we'll share this link. Yeah.
Okay. So we can directly search with ICT Academy, right?
No, Make It Academy.
Sorry, Make It Academy.
Yeah, in this Make It
So,
Academy channel, you can see this video on today or tomorrow. We'll see.
okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. In the
Yeah.
topic of what, ma'am? Today's FDP topic, it
Yeah.
will be displayed in YouTube. Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
this is
Thank you.
on
Thank you so much.
day two in this topic, like that it
Okay,
shows.
ma'am. Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you, Ba. Thank you so much for providing the wonderful opportunity.